In this video, we are going to look into two important coping strategies. One is meditation and two is relaxation. When it comes to meditation, whether we are facing a large controllable stress such as bereavement or just a daily round of hassles and challenges of everyday life, one way of coping is to focus our attention on something other than ruminative stress related thoughts and to actively disengage from these while not denying their exercise existence. This process is at the heart of the westernized adaptations of Eastern mystical calming forms of meditation such as Zen's, mindfulness based stress reduction, transcendental meditation, and Herbert Benson's relaxation response. All of these techniques involve sitting quietly without interruption for set periods of time each day. Then, while accepting that a variety of thoughts may enter consciousness, to focus attention on the present moment or a fixed stimulus such as one's breath or a mantra and simply observe rather than suppress or engage with thoughts as they arise and leave consciousness. In mindfulness based meditation, we take an observer role and watch our thoughts flow past. In mindfulness based meditation, we recognize that we are not our thoughts, but we are free to observe them. We also recognize that our thoughts are not reality, and so we do not have to accept them as true. There is a large body of scientific evidence to show that meditation, which involves this process, has a positive effect on immediate and long term psychological well being for a wide range of healthy people and also those with physical and mental health difficulties. In the short term, it leads to a reduction in physiological arousal and a positive mental state. In the longer term, it leads to better health. Short term physiological changes include reduced heart rate and respiration rate, reduction in the rate of spontaneous skin conductance fluctuations, reductions in cortisol levels, and an increase in the rate of EEG alpha waves. In the long term, meditation can enhance a range of psychological functions, including cognitive functioning, creativity, and empathy. In the long term, meditation can also be helpful in the management of conditions such as hypertension and chronic pain and psychological conditions such as anxiety and depression. And one important controlled trial of a mindfulness based program for people with chronic depression, people who practiced mindfulness meditation relapsed at about half the rate of those who did not meditate. Muscle relaxation exercise and breathing exercises, visualization exercises, autosuggestion, and biofeedback have been shown to be effective for reducing physiological arousal and inducing a physical and psychologically relaxed state. Thus, these various relaxation procedures may be used to cope with stress responses, particularly those evoked by uncontrollable stressors. Relaxation procedures have been shown to be effective for managing anxiety, pain, essential hypertension, and other stress responses. An example of relaxation, breathing visualization exercises can be done as part of this. You can practice this daily. You will have developed enough skills to use these exercises to get rid of unwanted body tension. Set aside 20 minutes a day to do these relaxation exercises. Do them at the same time and in the same place every day. Before you begin, remove all distractions by turning off bright lights, the radio, and loosening any tight clothes like belts, ties, or shoes. Lie on a bed or recline in a comfortable chair with the eyes lightly closed. Before and after each exercise, breathe in deeply and exhale slowly 3 times while saying the word relax. Repeat each exercise twice. Throughout the exercises, if your parent is helping, you can ask them to speak in a calm, relaxed, quiet voice. So first we'll focus on the hands. Close your hands into fists, then allow them to open slowly. Notice a change from tension to relaxation in your hands and allow this change to continue further and further still, so the muscles of your hands become more and more relaxed. Bend your arms at the elbow and touch your shoulders with your hands. Then allow them to return to the resting position. Notice the change from tension to relaxation in your arms and allow this to change to continue further, so the muscles of your arms become more and more relaxed. Hunch your shoulders up to your ears, then allow them to return to the resting position. Notice the change from tension to relaxation in your shoulders. Point your toes downwards, then allow them to return to the resting position. Notice the relaxation that's happening in your wrist. Muscles in the fronts of your legs become more and more relaxed. Point your toes upwards, then allow them to return to the resting position. Notice the change from tension to relaxation in the back of your legs. Allow this change to continue further till so the muscles in the backs of your legs become more and more relaxed. Take a deep breath and hold the stomach muscles for 3 seconds, tensing the muscles in your stomach as you do so. Then breathe out slowly. Notice the change from tension to relaxation in your stomach muscles and allow this to change to continue further. So your stomach muscles become more and more relaxed. Clench your teeth tightly together, then relax. Notice a change from tension to relaxation in your jaw and allow this change to continue further. So the muscles in your jaw become more and more relaxed. Wrinkle your nose up and then relax. Notice the relaxation. The muscles around the front of your face gets relaxed. Shut your eyes tightly, then relax. Muscles around your eyes will relax slowly. Now that you've done all your exercises, check that all areas of your body are as relaxed as can be. Think of your hands and allow them to relax a little more. Think of your arms and allow them to relax. Think of your shoulders and allow them to relax. Think of your legs and allow them to relax. Think of your stomach and allow it to relax a little more. Think of your face and allow it to relax a little more. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3 and out. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathe in. 1, 2, 3 and out. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, breathe in. 1, 2, 3 and out. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now imagine you're lying on a beautiful sandy beach and you feel the sun warm your body. Make a picture in your mind of the golden sand and the warm sun. As the sun warms your body, you feel more and more relaxed. As the sun warms your body, you feel more and more relaxed. As the sun warms your body, you feel relaxed. The sky is clear blue above you. You can see a small white cloud drifting away into the distance. As it drifts away, you feel more and more relaxed. It is drifting away and you feel more relaxed. As the sun warms your body, you feel more and more relaxed. As the cloud drifts away, you feel more relaxed. You can wait for about 30 seconds. When you're ready to open your eyes to face the rest of the day, relaxed and calm.